Activity number 3. Let's go!
Today's activity is helmet diving. We book it via Klook. 1,000 per head siya plus promo code for a discount of 5%. Included na lahat ng equipment and boat ride going to the activity area. May briefing before the activity and since nauna na nung day 1 yung scuba diving namin, mas mabilis na lang yung sa amin. And please disclose if may medical conditions kayo para mas maplan ng maayos yung activity niya. Literal na Finding Nemo. Dito sa part na tawang-tawa ako kasi parang lumulutang ako paangat pero hindi ko mapigil. Etong ganitong fish encounter ang pinaka-memorable para sa akin. Very magical. Medyo nahilo ako sa part na to, but overall, the experience is great. Wala ka masyadong iintindihan kundi enjoy mo lang yung activity. Klook will do everything for you. Plus, the encounter with the sea creatures is something very magical. It's a thumbs up for me. After the activity, we decided to eat at Idalicious, one of the famous inasal spot here in Boracay. Nakita ko to based sa recommendation ni Mark Paragas and my sister. Dapat hindi ko na to itatry kasi nakapag-inasal na ako on our first day, but sino ba naman ako para tumanggi sa good food? Basically, chicken inasal at tiempo lang ang na-order namin. Madami kasing hindi available noong time na dumating kami. But, buti na lang, free soup is kansi, bagay na bagay siya sa inasal. The chicken inasal is okay for me. Yung napunta sa akin is medyo hilaw. Kita ko yung part ng mga ligaments niya. May naaamoy din akong something dun sa may butong part. The liempo naman is okay, pero hindi ko siya gusto dahil sunog siya at mapait. Kalamansi at toyo na lang yung nalalasahan ko. Overall, Idalicious is okay for me. Madami pang mas masarap na inasal spot. Pero maganda yung location nila and view, plus mura lang din ang food. 6 out of 10 for me. Baka nagkataon lang din na hindi pa sila ready for order kaya parang minadali yung food. Yun lang. Next activity is Sunset Cruise via Red Wave Boracay. 1,000 each, mabubook nyo siya sa Facebook by account nila na Red Wave Boracay. Tour features and inclusion, water slide, roof deck diving, snorkeling at vibrant marine spots, paddleboarding and crystal kayak, free diving with guidance, free use of snorkel mask, sunbathing net onboard fruits and pika-pika, unlimited popcorn, unlimited iced tea, 1 complimentary shots of wine. Lahat ng nabanggit ko ay free siya sa 1,000 na binayad nyo. In fairness sa Red Wave Boracay, hindi crowded yung boat at sinigurado na may enough space for everyone. Kahit na madaming nagbubook, priority pa rin nila yung kaya lang nilang i-accommodate. Trying this water slide, ang daming mga crew na nagpipicture tsaka nag-video. Well documented yung activity mo sa Red Wave. Next ko namang tinry itong standing paddle. So, ang goal ko is makatayo ng matagal. Okay naman, pero hindi lang ako masyado nag-move kasi mahirap bumalanse. At ayun na nga, nalaglag na. Napagod na ako dito kaya upo at higa na lang sa paddle. Anyways, sa sunset cruise, dapat chill lang. Itong picture na to galing to sa Red Wave Boracay. After mag-swim, relax lang dito sa boat. Tapos binigay yung popcorn tsaka juice kahit hindi mo inaas. Maalaga yung staff nila. Dito ako pinaka na-relax. Dito ko din inabangan yung sunset. Nakahiga lang ako with the beanbag and looking sa paligid. Madami rin nagka-sunset boat during this time plus paraw sailing. With 1,000 pesos, masasabi ko na sobrang sulit nito. Daming pwedeng gawin at super relax. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. One of the famous spot in Boracay located at Station 1, malilim siya, tapos besides the shore. Famous Boracay's Churi Burger by Merlis. 80 pesos ang isa. Combination siya ng chorizo, bread at special sauce.
I need to look for maps.
Hi guys, samahan niyo akong tikman tong Churi Burger na famous dito sa Boracay by Ate Merlis. 80 pesos. Basically, parang ano lang to, chorizo tas bread, tas may mga special sauce na. Sikat daw sa Boracay. So, first time ko to matatry. So, tinapay lang siya na may chorizo tsaka sauce. Honest review. Totoo nga ang chismis. Nothing special. Walang kakaiba. Pero okay na 80 pesos, medyo mahal ang bilihin sa Boracay. Pero masasarap kasi ang langgonisa sa amin sa Nabotas. So yun lang. Siguro I'll give it 7 out of 10. Bye.
Two Seasons is a famous restaurant located at Station 1. Tinry namin ang bestseller nila na 4 cheese pizza and oyster sisig. Surprisingly, the oyster sisig ay hindi malansa, may tamang balance na creaminess. May part na malutong at may part na malambot, kaya interesting siya every bite. Tama lang ang hype ng 4 cheese pizza na to. Malaking serving niya at hindi siya nakakaumay. Perfect sa akin yung pagkakatoast ng bread. Marinig nyo naman yung lutong sa bawat kagat. This pizza can serve up to 4 people or more. Overall, Two Seasons restaurant deserves the hype they are getting. Reasonable yung price niya sa serving niya. I will recommend this restaurant at babalik-balikan ko siya every time na pupunta ako ng Boracay. 10 out of 10 for me, big thumbs up.
Hindi ko mapinicturan. Masarap. Ayun lang.
Hi guys, and that concludes our Boracay trip. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa mga videos and please like, share, and subscribe. See you again on the next vlog. Bye-bye!